This is a pumpkin stir-fry recipe with dried shrimps. It is a very nutritious and tasty dish where the natural sweetness from the pumpkin blends perfectly with the umami flavor from dried shrimps. To prepare the pumpkin, remove the seeds and skin. Cut into cubes. Soak a handful of dried shrimps in a bowl of water for at least half an hour. After half an hour, remove the dried shrimps and chop finely. Reserve the soaking liquid for cooking later. Saute the dried shrimps. This is a very important step in this recipe. For best flavor, the dried shrimps must be fried until dry and fragrant before we add the pumpkin cubes. Add the soaking liquid and another bowl of water. Let it simmer until the pumpkin is tender. Add some soy sauce to taste. If you like your pumpkin softer, you can cook it longer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy!